Let's go.
Hey buddy, do you know the first modern English poet of India? Yes? No? Don't worry, just chill, bro. I am here to guide you the first modern English poet of India. So I am going to deal with the writer H.L.V. Derazio. H.L.V. Derazio. Who is the writer? H.L.B. Derazio. He was born in the year Yes, he was born in the year 1809 and died in the year 1831. So, Henry Louis Vivan Derazio. Okay, what was his full name? The full name is Henry Louis Vivan Derazio. So this was his full name. H.L.B. Derazio was an Indian poet and the headmaster of Hindu College, Kolkata. And do you know who was the founder of Hindu College, Kolkata? The founder of Hindu College, Kolkata was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Yes, the Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Whose principal was he? H.L.B. Derazio was the principal of or the headmaster of Hindu College, Kolkata. Hindu College, Kolkata. And who was the founder of this college? Who was the founder? Founder was the Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded this Hindu College, Kolkata, and currently this college is known as the Presidency College. Okay, the Presidency College, it is situated in Kolkata. Now, moving forward, the H.L.B. Derazio is the first nationalist poet of modern India. Okay, who was he? The first nationalist poet of modern India. Okay, he was the first nationalist poet of modern India. Now, by moving forward, we will discuss his works. His important work is and well-known work is To India, My Native Land. Works are To India, My Native Land. Okay, this is the very well known poem. You might have been studied in your courses, or you may study in your courses in the bachelor's degrees and the master's degree. Okay, now this is the first, and the second second is the harp of India. The second is the harp of India. Okay. Now the third is the Fakir of Jahangir. Fakir of Jahangir. J A. I'm forgetting the spelling. Janghir. Janghir. The Fakir of Jahangir. So these are the three important works of H.L.B. Derizio. Through these poems you should study, and this is the very important work. You cannot escape this poem, To India My Native Land. As he was the headmaster of the Hindu College, Kolkata, the students of H.L.B. Derizio was known as the Young Bengal. Okay, the students of H.L.B. Derizio were known as was known as Young Bengal. So, a student of H.L.B. Derizio was called the Young Bengal. Okay, so this is the information you should know as per the literature perspective, and you can read those three poems, and To India My Native Land is a very important one. You should go through that for your coursework and then for the NET and PGT exams. Okay, you cannot skip that poems. You should go through line by line, and this is about H.L.B. Derizio, and hope you will like the information. We will deal with the next poet in the another video. Thank you.